and I'm gonna go ahead and show you my hair. 1, 2, 3. What's up guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see, I look like shit. This is what I usually look like, guys. Anyway, I've been home now for about over a month. I haven't gone to the parlor, I haven't gotten my hair cut, I haven't gotten my facial, I haven't done any personal grooming self-care thing in so long that I am beginning to feel like a caged animal. So I decided that today I am going to color my hair. I could have just gone the whole I'm gonna shave my legs route, but nope, I'm gonna color my hair.
Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of faded strands. Some have turned blue, some have turned grey. There's a lot of light brown at the bottom as well. So yeah, basically this is what I'm going to be coloring today.
Now that you know what it looks like, a little bit of a background. The first few times that I colored my hair only did browns, and then about mid last year I decided I wanted to do like a purple hair color. My friend Antara, she colors my hair, and if you've seen my previous hair color video, you will know she colors my hair. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it in this video so y'all can watch it. But yeah, basically I decided I want to do like this purple color. So she bleached only a little bit of my hair, like just 2 sections from the bottom, and she did in a way that if I didn't like it, I could cut it off and go short and it would all be fine. And she also used a semi-permanent color. Like we did fail safe after fail safe after fail safe when I bleached and colored my hair the first time. So that's what it looked like. After that I decided I like color, but this one faded really fast, and I did like she did with more permanent color. She mixed reds and blues and etc, but the blues didn't really stick. So then my hair looked more reddish, and then this is what it looked like. And after that I went to her and I was like, just like do more strands, and whatever color you do is fine. I'm okay with it, like as long as it's in the reddish purplish zone, I'm okay with it. So just like bleach more strands at the bottom and yeah, just color it. So when she did that, I finally got the hair color that I actually wanted. Like I was really happy with it, and this is what it looked like. Basically this is what I'm going to try and achieve today. Let's just start. I've just wet my hair a little bit, but I need them to be slightly damp while I'm coloring. So I've done that. I've got my box of color, my brush, gloves, and I am all ready to go. I forgot about my gloves. Okay, one down. I'm gonna color my face. So I am all done. Look at all this color. I have finished putting the color in my hair. I need to let it set for about an hour or so. So I'm gonna go eat something. I'm gonna drink some water, actually lots of water. I haven't had water in the past 2 hours. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will see you guys just before I'm ready to wash it. Okay guys, I am back. I do not look anything like I did when I left y'all. Since I was waiting around, I decided that I'll give my skin a little bit of a refresher as well. I was coming up with like these tiny red spots and whiteheads for some reason, and I just thought, you know, why not just like do something while I wait. So I've put this is to show you, This is a Chandan face pack by this company called Organic Air. I didn't have anything else in the house, so this is basically what I had and that's what I've put. And I'm gonna wait for this to dry. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. My hair is almost dry. It's been about 45 minutes or so. So yeah, another 20 minutes and then I am going to go shower. And now I'm just gonna see you all after that. Bye. And I am all done. I feel clean, I feel fresh, and there is still light for me to shoot the end of this video and show you my hair. So I am excited for that and I'm going to quickly do this. I also dried my hair and tied it up so that y'all don't so I can do this talking and then I can do the reveal. I'm going to place the camera down now. So there you go. Okay, so a little bit of an update on my skin. I used that pack for the first time and I won't say it's magic, but my skin does feel fresh. It feels clean. It feels like I did something to it, and overall I feel happy about it. I still have a few red spots, but that's not going to go. I'm sure it'll go in a day or two. I'm not that worried about it. Anyway, about my hair. In case you're wondering where I got the hair color from, it's the same color Antara used for me 3 months ago when she colored my hair. And she had a little bit left over, so instead of like draining it or throwing it or you know whatever people do with hair color once it's left over, she gave it to me. Yeah, that's the color I used. I didn't have too much of it, so I had to ration, and I am really proud of how well I rationed it, how I haven't missed any strands, and just generally how everything turned out. And now it's time for you to see it and tell me what you think. Are you ready? No, you're not. You haven't hit like yet, have you? So go hit like, go subscribe, and I will show you my hair. Did you do it? Okay, I'm gonna just assume you did it and hope that you did it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you my hair. There you go. Look at my hair. I am loving this color. I am chasing the light still, but yeah, you can see it. You can see it. You can see it. I know you can. Look at it. Doesn't it look brilliant? I love it so much. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from behind. Okay. So, in case you're wondering why I haven't styled my hair, I have only blow dried it because that's all I know how to do, and I didn't have time since the light is clearly shifting and going, and this is all the light there is left. But you can see how amazing it looks in the sun, and I am so happy with it. Oh my god, what do you think? That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I am super happy with how this turned out. I love this hair color. Like, what is this beauty? It looks beautiful. What do you think? Leave them in the comments below. Tell me what you think of my hair coloring skills. Tell me what you think of my hair color. Tell me what you think of the video. Just tell me what you think. And if you haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe. I am coming up with new videos every week. I am not sure of the frequency and the number of videos I'll do a week, but one video for sure. So wait for that, and I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching.